Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today we are going to talk about how to prepare for the crop into the net house. What you can see behind me is my new net house which I have prepared couple of days back only, and I am going to take a first crop into this net house. Now if you are interested how to build your own net house, then you can visit my video couple of days back on the constructing the net house on your own. From that you can learn and make your own net house. But today in this video I am going to share you how I have prepared the soil for taking the first crop so that I get the good harvest. So let us see how I am preparing the land. So friends, let us enter into the net house. So here we have kept two doors so that the insect cannot move inside easily. So we need to keep this door always closed to restrict the movement of the insects and pests into the net house. So now we have entered the net house and you can see the crop is going on. And today in this video I am going to explain how I have prepared up to this level for sowing the crop. In this video we will see the cultivation. After cultivating, we have added this cow dung manure, well decomposed cow dung manure, then raised the beds, and after that we have laid down the drips. So all this is coming in this video in the further part. So stay connected and watch this, how I have done this. So now our net house is completely ready and we are preparing for the first crop. Now before starting the first crop, we need to add the manure. So we are using cow dung manure, a well decomposed cow dung manure, and spreading it into this field. You can see the quality of the cow dung manure what we selected. So this is the fully rotten cow dung manure which is with a good moisture level. So it will retain its all nutrient, and we are spreading this all across the net house. So we are keeping the rate around 15 to 20 trolley. That is around 20 to 25 ton of the cow dung manure we are adding to this soil for as a base dressing. And once we distribute this manure, we are spreading it all across the field like this. So all the layer around 1/2 inch to 2 inch layer gets settled on the soil. This is very necessary to increase the soil carbon level and some of the nutrition so that our crop will start very vigorously. So after this we have to fit our drip lines and make the bunds for the planting. But first we are completing it with the spreading of this manure. So now you can see that our work of spreading the manure into the field is over. We have spread the manure well into the field equally. We have put around 20 trolley of the cow dung manure into this 1 acre. Now it's time to cultivate it. But before that we have watered the field so that our soil get cultivate well. Now we are first cultivating into the across direction like this. This cultivation we are doing to mix up this cow dung manure well into the soil and make the soil loose enough so that our plant root takes very well start into this roots. So first we have completed this horizontal direction and now we are cultivating it into vertical direction with the help of tractor. Now you can see that this is the horizontal and you can see still some lumps and dumps of the soil over there. But when we till it into the across direction, and you can see that fine tilth of the field. So this is the condition we require for sowing the seed. Now we will spread the drip and start sowing the seed into this net house. Watch the video till the end, and if you find this video interesting and useful, then give me a like. Also share it with the like-minded people. Express your view in a comment box and feel free to give any suggestions to improve. Let's watch the video Don't forget to subscribe. So now you can see that after the cultivation, we have raised this bed with the help of tractor. Now if you can see that the bed is not raised much because these are the summer months, we don't require much height of the bed. So we have raised the bed only 4 to 5 inch. We have raised 3 beds in between and 1 on the pole. So in a 5 meter we have total 4 beds, and each bed will have the 4 feet distance bed to bed. Now we want to plant this at around 6 to 8 feet row distance. For that, what we'll do, we'll plant in one row, one bed, and we'll leave one bed empty. So for that, now we are distributing the drip lines. So you can see that we have put the 2 drip line per bed, every alternate bed. So we can have a uniform water distribution. So we are putting drip line on this bed. We are keeping this bed empty. Again we are keeping 2 lines on this bed, and this is how we will distribute all the drip lines. And once we will water these beds, and then we will start sowing. So friends, you have seen how we have prepared up to this level ready for the sowing. Now we can sow either directly the seeds into the soil with the drip, or we can transplant the nursery into this for taking the new crop. You can also prepare your soil or your nethouse soil or the field soil like this for starting the new crop. So how do you like this information? Please write me back into the comment box, and meanwhile prepare your land for sowing the new crop. Happy growing!